Vlogmas. Today is day 6 of Vlogmas, and what we will be doing today is packaging our orders from our Cyber Week sale. Let's get started. And so in the morning, we're going to mail these things off and make sure everyone to get their tracking number and everything. And thanks for watching. I'll be back tomorrow with another day of Vlogmas. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And as always, stay ambitious.